Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here, and welcome you all to my channel. And this video, we are going to create one more scanner on based on charting. So try to find out the wick reversal at the lower Bollinger Band. So last video we have created the wick reversal pattern that was reversed from the upper Bollinger Band. So what exactly we are going to look here with this particular uh, thing. So we have to find out a stock which reverse from that higher level. So that is what scanner which you are going to find out with this. Okay. Yeah. So how we are finding out the reversal on upper Bollinger Band based on the scanner which you have created. So exactly at a higher level of the Bollinger Band. So inverted hammer or shooting star kind of thing, but we are fixing out the exact level of that particular stock's value at the top level. So it must be keep on moving higher, and the higher wick should be about to the upper Bollinger Band and also body. So we are filtering out the body conditions. It's the lower wick is 0.25 compared to the body of the candle, and higher wick is 2.5 times. So and it is also be the highest level since last 30 or 40 candles which we are going to filter out with that. How many candles which you want, we can filter out at the higher level of the trend reversal or the rejection at the upper Bollinger Band. The same case, we are going to create the reversal scanner and how it will work. So the stock should come down and it must form such a pattern at the bottom. So in this case, the lower wick should be 2.5 times and higher wick it should be 0.25 comparing with the body of this candle, and it should be the lowest level since in the bottom, and also we are looking for the range of the candle that is greater than average candle of average high and low of last 15 days, 50 days or whatever we have. So we can filter out. This is what a logic which we are going to create with the charting. And after creating the scanner, we are going to update on our premium Telegram group. That is a chargeable and one-time access. You can access whatever the scanners which I have created previously, and what are the scanners which I am going to create in future. That is also be going to updated on the group. So you can use it with copy and edit rights, but only you can change the time frames. Okay, but if the scanner is not used with the custom indicator, you can modify it also. But if you are using a custom indicator, so you can't change the overall conditions, but you can adjust the time. So maybe if I'm creating daily, you can change it for 15 minutes, hourly or weekly. So that is possible. If a scanner which have a custom indicator, you can't change it. You can't add one more lines with the custom indicator. That is not possible. So this is what my group, so where you can access all the scanners on that. So you can also copy and edit. So this is what a thing. So here we are going to create this kind of scanner on today's video that we try to create, and already we made it upper side for a upper Bollinger Band. This is mainly for a rejection which you are going to find out, and you can filter out any of the sector, but I am using a future and options, so around 234 stocks. Okay, so here first condition which I am just going to focus. Previously we are finding a red candle, but in this case we are finding a green candle. So because it is looks like a hammer or a which forms at the lower Bollinger Band. Okay, so but we are looking for a positive candle. Okay, on the particular day. So and we are comparing the open low, so that a daily today's open low must be greater than, sorry, it must be close minus open. So these are the custom one which I have already created, so I can use it because in charting, so you can compare two variables. If you are adding third one, so it will not allow. So meanwhile, so we should create a custom one, so they'll find out such a kind of multiple comparison. So that is what a 2.5 times open minus low, and it is open minus close. Close is always be greater. Okay, that's right. So this is what a lower wick we are fetching with that. So exactly this particular line which fetching the lower wick comparing to the body, it is 2.5 times we are fixing. So you can adjust this level three times or four times or five times, that you can change it as per your needs. But basically I'm using 2.5 times. Okay, and the second condition which we are going to use it, I minus close, that is what I minus close is the upper week. So in this case we are looking for an upper week, so which we are following an upper week, I minus low, minus low, into 0.25, 0. Sorry, 0.25, and this will fetch you on the higher week of very low, that will be, so for example, Bandhan Bank today, so maybe we can check Bandhan Bank. What is happening here? It was not forming a such a pattern. Let me check. It is not a high minus low. Minus close must be where are the issue, close minus open. I minus low. That here it should be a close minus open. Close minus open. You run this. Let me check LICA. LICA. So will that forming a such a pattern what we are? Yeah. So now, so maybe a mistake which is happening on the scanner. It is exactly looks like a body of the candle and wick of the candle, and this is what exactly what we are looking for to finding out the scanner with this help of this starting. So this is 2.5 times of the body, and this is 0.25 percentage of the body. So that we are looking for to finding out that particular scanner. Okay, so not overall we are looking for less than 0.25%. Okay, so this one is working right now. So while we creating conditions, we have to be very careful. And now we are going to fetch this stock, should be average, should be greater than that. Today's range must be greater than, so average range of E minus low of last 50 candles. So if I'm using, so previously I am using, we have a 4 stock. If the today's range is averagely 50 candles high, so let it run. So one stock would be removed. So what we have seen LIC is removed. So because that average size of the candle high and low, so that would be comparatively, we are looking for it's greater than the average one. Okay, so that we have added here, and one more conditions. Now we have come to the Bollinger Band. Okay, so this is what a candle pattern which we are finding, and we are comparing this candle pattern into Bollinger Band. So here we are simply using that the open price of today should be greater than, so Bollinger Band is not a custom indicator, so it is already available here. So lower Bollinger Band. So and we can copy the same, close also be greater than, and again one more time we can copy. So the low of that particular candle should be less than lower Bollinger Band. So if you have added this condition, so we have 3-4 stocks, we got it. If I run this, I have only one stock which forming a such a pattern. So look, voila. So that one. So exactly at the lower Bollinger Band had taken support. Maybe whether it is going to reverse or not. So here after V2 watch, but this is forming a such a reversal at the bottom level. Okay, that's good. So let me save the scan and will be added tomorrow on our Telegram group, so you can make use of it. Okay, and let me check at the back test, and previously we have 8th January and December 13. So this year, previous one, this one 20th January. So here 8th Jan. So Balakrishna Mariko, let me check Mariko. Will it is satisfying the condition? So Mariko, this is an 8th January. Perfectly, it is rejecting from the lower Bollinger Band. And one more stock which forming such a pattern, Balakrishna Industries. Well, it is forms 8th Jan. So this one, but in this case it was not moving higher, but instead of that it is moving lower. One more thing, let me check some other 20th Jan, Techium, Sriram Finance. This is the thing, 20th Jan. That is also looks good at a lower Bollinger Band. Techium. This is what a same pattern. So it is fetching the exact pattern at the lower Bollinger Band. So that will work. And one more of things, so we is to add one more conditions that will find out the lower level. Okay, the low of that particular day equal to, so minimum low of 20 days. So we are comparing in last 20 days, that would be a lowest value. So if you are adding this, we have very few number of stocks. So there we are filtering out on February 1st Voltas in Bajaj FinServ, maybe works or not. So this is what on 1st February in Bajaj Finance. So exactly the scanner will help you to find out. Sorry, Bajaj FinServ. Bajaj FinServ. That was a huge one, but it is exactly forming the pattern and meeting the condition. So that is a rejection. So I hope you understood the concepts of this particular scanner, how it is filtering out the stock. And this is mostly for the first three line we are using custom indicator, and after three is a normal one, and this is what the normal conditions which are used. And this will help you to find out some stocks. So based on lower Bollinger Band, rejection and the bottom. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you.